If you've ever dumped fertilizer into a tomato hole at planting and wondered why the plant just sat there for weeks, you're not alone. That's not real soil care for tomatoes, that's a guess. There's an actual two-step method, and fertilizer at planting isn't part of it. The first pass happens in spring, once the soil is dry enough to work, ideally with raised beds. Loosen the soil with a U-bar digger, spading fork, or hand-grubbing tool. Then spread your amendments in an even layer, and work them into the soil with a garden rake. What goes in this pass? Compost, sphagnum peat moss, or aged pine bark soil conditioner, plus composted manure. From the kitchen, coffee grounds and finely crushed eggshells work too. Add mycorrhizal fungi and Bacillus subtilis or another beneficial bacteria. Kelp is worth including as well, it acts like a hormone and adds micronutrients. If you want a fertilizer in this pass, the only kind that belongs here is a slow-release organic granular fertilizer, nothing fast-acting. The second pass happens every single time you plant a seedling, tomato, or otherwise. If the bed wasn't prepped in spring, planting day is your chance to fix that, loosen and amend right in the hole. Here's the part most people skip: 3 amendments, every time, a tablespoon of each, compost, mycorrhiza, and beneficial bacteria. No fertilizer in this pass. Good compost alone adds humic acid and enzymes that break down minerals into a form your tomato plant can actually use. 2 passes, 2 different jobs. Build the bed in spring, then amend the hole at planting with compost, mycorrhiza, and bacteria. Skip the fertilizer at the hole, and your tomato plants get a real start instead of a guess.